how to turn off page post comment notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off page post comment notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just scroll down until you find pages. Click on it and click this one here, select your page, and then just click this icon, settings icon, and now click notifications and click on Facebook. Now all you need to do is just go to post comment and click on it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.